And ano naman yung masasabi mo sa mga gusto ring pumasok sa ganitong industry at gustong gawin yung ginagawa mo?
Sa mga gustong maging producer, feeling ko kailangan lang talaga nilang magsikap at maging okay with starting from the bottom. Because hindi ko nila lahat, pero maraming younger batch, younger people now, na gusto kasi nila kagad producer na sila.
Yes, walang instant.
Gusto kagad nila, andun na sila sa ganong position. And if you're willing to start from the very bottom, you know, slowly but surely you'll get there. And pag mabilis mong nakuha, minsan mas mabilis ding mawawala sa'yo.
Pwede kang bumagsak.
Exactly.
Kasi
so,
nandun ka agad, hindi mo nga alam yung mga ginagawa sa loob ng production.
Totoo.
Diba? Mas maganda na mag-start ka muna sa mababa.
Exactly. So, yun po yung ma-advise ko sa kanila na be okay with starting with the lowest possible income, with the lowest possible position, and work your way through. Pagdating nyo doon, now na producer na ako and I've done all these things, I've accomplished some things in my life that I'm very proud of, doon ko na-realize na masaya ako sa naging journey ko. Kasi nakakatuwang ikwento na, uy, alam nyo ba, dati, nag-jeep lang ako papunta dito. Tapos pinapatawag ako ng producer ko, ganyan. Nakauwi na ako, biglang may gagawin pa daw sa office ng Star Cinema, so bumalik pa ako. Yung mga ganong kwento. It's really nice to look back on those things and see how far you've come versus masyado kang nagmadali. So, hindi mo napagdaanan yung mga dapat mong pagdaanan para magkaroon ka ng character development na matibay talaga and strong and marami nang napagdaanan.
And I believe, Miss Mela, hindi pwede weak ang personality pag kailangan sobrang strong ang personality, lalo sa'yo na ikaw yung pinaka-head. Kasi kumakausap ka ng mga clients and they have expectation na kailangan mong i-deliver. And leading a team, hindi siya biro. I-add ko lang also, tama si Ma'am, you really need to have strong conviction, strong personality in such a way na kaya mo talagang harapin all these directors, all these different personalities that you have to work with, plus the clients, plus your bosses, diba? You have to be able to know, even up until utility, driver, dapat marunong kang makisama sa lahat. And at the same time, kailangan ready ka to adjust. Yun talaga yung ma-advise ko sa mga gusto ng ganitong trabaho. Just be flexible enough and be willing to do whatever it takes. Kasi yun yung producer Ikaw yung magli-lead. So lahat ng pwede mong isakripisyo or gawin for the team or to make a project work, to achieve a common goal for your project, whether it's a campaign or movie or commercial, then you do it. Kasi ikaw ang pinaka magpupush niyan. Hindi sila. Kumbaga sa bangka, ikaw ang captain. Sa'yo sila umaasa and dumedepende. Pero I believe your team is very self-managed na they know their work.
Yun naman ang gusto natin eventually, diba? Na parang with minimal supervision, they can manage. And I hope as a producer, yun yung nagawa ko for the team na I can leave them because I've taught them my ways as well.